How to block someone on TikTok you don't follow. First, open up the TikTok application. You will then be taken to this home page. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. From this page, go to the Followers section. Then tap on a profile you don't follow back. Now tap on the Share button at the top right corner. Then from the options, tap on Block. After that, you need to select Block from the pop-up. The account has now been blocked. You can unblock them whenever you want. Once you have blocked the account, they won't be able to send you messages or find your profile on TikTok. Following these steps, you can easily block someone on TikTok you don't follow. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.